How to ignore the message of Messenger to create a pin. In this video, I will show you how can you easily ignore the message of Messenger when it asks you to create a pin. So without any delay, let's get into it. Now for that, firstly you need to go to the settings of your Messenger application and scroll all the way down to report a problem. So click on report technical problem and there you need to click on report anyway. After that, click on include and it will make a report. This might take a time, and then in this report you need to describe your problem. You can also upload the screenshot, and if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to delete all the data of Messenger or simply reinstall the Messenger application. And that's all. That is how easily you can ignore the message of Messenger where it asks you to create a pin. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.